Good afternoon, everyone. This is Superintendent of Schools Curtis Coates with our weekly update. Happy New Year, Goshen. This is our first report after the beginning of the new year. We hope that everyone had a wonderful New Year and a very restful holiday break. I want to bring to the community's attention several different items for this week. As part of our budget process for the first time this year, we have developed a Facilities Advisory Committee. We will hold our first meeting on January 25th before the end of this month, to be able to bring the group together to talk about what our goals are, but ultimately we will be asking the Facilities Advisory Committee for feedback on the maintenance and upgrades of our buildings and ask them to make recommendations before the end of the budget season to our Board of Education on what they may want to consider in terms of how we upgrade and maintain our facilities. I also want to bring to the community's attention some parent workshops that our Office of Pupil Personnel Services will be offering. These offerings are meant to support our parents and our students, and also these will show up on our district calendar as well. On January 18th, the Office of People with Developmental Disabilities and Guardianship will be making a presentation with the Office of Independent Living right here in the Board of Education conference room at 6 p.m. On January 25th and February 13th, we will have an executive functioning skill presentation given by presenter Sarah Ward, which will be a virtual session. Again, the link for that will show up on our district calendar at 6 p.m. and you would be able to connect to that remotely. On March 22nd, we'll have a transition planning meeting given by Independent Living. Again, that will be back right here in the board conference room at 6 p.m. And then on April 17th, another offering remotely for executive functioning skills, again by presenter Sarah Ward. Again, that will be remotely. All of these items you'll be able to find on our district calendar as well. I want to give a very special congratulations to our Science Olympiad team for a winning performance at the Columbia Invitational this past weekend. We had numerous students placing first, second, fourth, and sixth place. We're ever so proud of their accomplishments and also for the support of their team advisors as well. I'd like to give an invitation to our community. Winter sports are in full swing. You can always go to our athletics page on the district website where you can find weekly calendars of when our home contests will be. Please come out and support our teams. That calendar is always updated should there be any changes. And you can click right on it to be able to find sports contests that you may be interested in. Thank you so much, Goshen. Have a wonderful week.